So go ahead, give your introduction, what you're doing.
Instructing me. Yeah, I'm a shit. It's not coming out. Wait, hold on. I got an idea. What time Aaron's coming?
Here soon, babe. So what are you making, Treadle?
Something special.
Yeah? Well, tell your YouTube viewers what you are doing. Well, that was perfect. Okay, we forgot a spoon?
I should have fork.
Take 1 second while he gets a fork. He is making a slushie. Oh, the water is so beautiful.
Dogs not have YouTubers videos?
Yeah, dogs have YouTube. What color is that one?
Green.
That's right, it's green. What colors you got in there? Green. What else colors?
Red.
What else?
Green again.
You got a red one in there too? So what are you doing now? You're smashing everything together? How many popsicles did you put in there?
5.
I think that's more than 5, my son. But I think you're right, 5, and then we cut them all in half. There you go. You're doing pretty good making that slushie.
That's what I call a slushie. I got 2 slushies. Yeah.
And that's how you make a slushie?
Mhm.
Okay, what do you say at the end?
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe to us.